I want to bring in our first interview of the hour. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen joins us now exclusively in her first interview since the debt ceiling deal was passed. Secretary, thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much, Andrew.
So we're all trying to, the good news is that's behind us, but there's a lot in front of us. We still seem to have a very strong economy, possibly a little too strong. Where do you think we really are?
Well, you know, I've been saying now for almost a year that I see a path to bringing down inflation while maintaining a strong labor market. And I think the data we've seen recently and over the last year suggest we're on a path with those characteristics. So clearly the labor market remains quite strong, with unemployment close to 50-year lows and very healthy job creation. But on the other hand, we are seeing some signs of easing pressures in the labor market, which may be important in terms of bringing inflation down. The quit rate has risen slightly. Job openings have declined somewhat, suggesting a bit less pressure in terms of firms adding to their workforce. But overall, the labor market remains very strong, and inflation has now come down about 4% from its peak. And I think we'll continue to see progress over the next 2 years.
But do you what do you think unemployment has to be in this country to actually and to have inflation actually level off? We keep talking about what the Fed can or can't do, but politically, part of that is a question about employment in this country.
Well, to me, a strong labor market is one where individuals who want to work can quickly find work. We've always thought an unemployment rate with 4 as the first digit is a very strong labor market. Clearly, Americans feel good about their job prospects. They're finding work quickly. Hiring pressure, and it's not just a matter of the unemployment rate that determines pressures in the labor market. It's also the job vacancies and how strong the appetite is of firms to hire. The economy has slowed somewhat, and we're seeing less pressure by firms trying to rebuild their workforces. But we still have a very healthy labor market. Wage gains are significant, but nevertheless, we're seeing a bit of easing of pressures.